Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 10 best wireless video doorbells for enhanced home security. So, let's start. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 10. MOES Tuya Smart Wi-Fi Video Doorbell Camera with Two-Way Audio Intercom. MOES Tuya Smart Wi-Fi Video Doorbell includes two-way audio intercom, night vision, and wireless door product compatibility, offering comprehensive surveillance for a secure and connected home. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 9. Whitcomb 4.3-inch Doorbell Peephole Camera IR Night Vision. Whitcomb's 4.3-inch Doorbell Peephole Camera features IR night vision and motion detection, providing a reliable solution for enhanced doorstep security. At number 8. Awapow 4.3-inch Tuya Wi-Fi Video Doorbell Night Vision. Awapow's 4.3-inch Tuya Wi-Fi Video Doorbell offers night vision and motion detection, ensuring a secure and smart home experience with clear visuals day or night. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 7. Smart Tuya Wi-Fi Peephole Camera 1080p 2.4G Automatic Sensing Door Eye Camera. Experience advanced security with automatic sensing and 1080p resolution in this Tuya Wi-Fi Peephole camera, providing real-time digital door viewing and monitoring at home. At number 6. Awapow Smart Tuya 1080p Wi-Fi Peephole Doorbell Camera. Awapow's 1080p Wi-Fi Peephole Doorbell Camera, with night PIR motion detection, combines smart technology for reliable and efficient home security. At number 5. 5G 2.4G Wi-Fi Video Doorbell 1080p Tuya Smart Outdoor. Upgrade your security with the 5G and 2.4G Wi-Fi enabled video doorbell. The 1080p resolution and waterproof design make it an ideal choice for outdoor wireless intercom and monitoring. At number 4. Sectyme 3.5-inch Peephole Digital Doorbell Camera. Sectyme's digital doorbell features a 120-degree angle and cat-eye design for efficient smart home outdoor surveillance, ensuring your safety. At number 3. Awapow 3.5-inch Peephole Doorbell Camera 120 degrees. Awapow's 3.5-inch Peephole camera provides a wide 120 degrees view, combining digital door viewing and outdoor monitoring for enhanced security. At number 2. Whitcomb 4.3-inch Smart Wi-Fi Video Doorbell Night Vision. Whitcomb's 4.3-inch doorbell offers night vision, Tuya Peephole camera, and human detection for comprehensive 24/7 monitoring. Elevate your home's security with this advanced doorbell. At number 1. REHENT 2.4G Wi-Fi Smart Tuya Peephole 5000 mAh Door Eye Camera. Secure your home with REHENT's smart door camera featuring infrared technology, 2.4G Wi-Fi, and compatibility with Alexa and Google. The 5000 mAh battery ensures reliable video intercom and surveillance for enhanced home security.